everybody, welcome to Cooking with Claire. I am Claire Olson, the Senior Corporate Chef at Weds Foods. It is March and we are celebrating National Sauce Month. How exciting is that? Now, adding a sauce to anything you eat has so many different flavor benefits. Adding sauces offers a variety of flavors to the foods that you consume and can reach a broader customer appeal. You can customize your selections and you can experience new and global flavors without an entire meal commitment. So the recipes that we focused on this month, we decided to keep pretty simple and straightforward so that we could show you how sauces really elevate and enhance your flavor experience. The first stop on our sauce journey is a hot honey sauce. Now, our sauce department has been getting numerous requests for hot honey. So we decided to go ahead and show you a recipe that features a Newlyweds Foods hot honey sauce. We asked our bakery department for some help on this concept. They whipped up some really delicious and fresh biscuits using a Newlyweds Foods biscuit mix. We topped that with fried chicken legs using, of course, a Newlyweds Foods flour-based coating. We topped our biscuits with the delicious cinnamon sugar butter, and we drizzled the top of that with our hot honey sauce. So let's talk garlic. Now, garlic is being elevated as one of the key components in the top 5 sauce flavors. We took a very simple and delicious dish of grilled chicken topped with a caprese salad. We just wanted to elevate that a little bit, so we added a roasted garlic chimichurri sauce, which really takes your flavor experience above and beyond. And as long as we are on the topic of chicken, let's talk wings. Wings have so many different flavors that can be added to them and in so many different applications. For our wings, we fried them up and then we tossed them in a ginger Thai shake-on. Now, that alone is super delicious. But because 4 out of the 5 top flavors last year were chili-based, we wanted to incorporate the Newlyweds Foods sweet chili sauce to really push that flavor over the edge. Moving right along on our sauce journey, let's take a look at a burger. A burger is one of the most simple and delicious meals out there, right? I certainly think so. Our burger build contains a double burger, lots of delicious American cheese, lettuce, tomato, sauteed mushroom, and onions. Just that alone is amazing and so much flavor. But we wanted to elevate just a simple burger with our Newlyweds Foods Smoky Comeback Sauce. The Newlyweds Foods Smoky Comeback Sauce embodies the ubiquitous flavors of ketchup, mustard, and mayo, combined with just a touch of smoke for a little bit of indulgence. Lastly, but certainly not least, I decided to save breakfast for our final concept. In the Culinary Center, over the last few weeks, we've been talking about having breakfast for dinner. But really, breakfast is good at any time of day, right? Our final concept is probably the most indulgent recipe that we created this month. We took tots, and tots are such a great base to load them with all sorts of flavors. Our breakfast tots consist of turkey sausage, black beans, eggs, and we melted a decent amount of cheese on there. When these tots came out of the oven and everything was melted together, we added on some avocado. And we could have stopped there, but of course we didn't. We decided to add our spicy dill pickle sauce to really make your taste buds go crazy. I'm sorry to say that we are out of time because this video would never end. I could go on and on about adding sauces to anything all day long. So we hope that you enjoy the recipes that we brought to you this month. And I'm curious if you have any sauces that you particularly like. Drop that in on the comments, and if you have been enjoying our Cooking with Claire videos, go ahead and subscribe down below. Thank you so much, and if you have any questions about any of these products, please feel free to reach out, and we'll see you guys next time.